to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week I have something very simple, bacon broccoli salad. So we're not going to be very long on this video. Everything's pre-cooked. I pre-cooked the bacon. That is done. Everything's pre-chopped, the onion, the cheese. So our ingredients, we have 6 cups of fresh broccoli crowns, half cup cooked in crumbled bacon. It says about 6 slices. I think I did the whole package. Everything's great with bacon. Half a cup of diced cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, a 1/4 cup sunflower seeds, and a 1/4 cup raisins, golden or purple. And then for the sauce, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. As you can see, Kelly prepped a lot of this stuff for me, and I don't know if Dorothy...
No, she just watched.
She just watched, okay.
She supervised
so I got the
me.
broccoli crowns done, so we're just going to add in the bacon. Like I said, I got a little bit more than half a cup. Like I said, everything's good with bacon. Of course, I'm throwing it everywhere. It's all good. Everything's good with bacon. Okay, so then the cheddar cheese, the onions, there's our sunflower seeds. We're actually getting a break from our heat.
It was so nasty. It was really hard to pack in. Oh, no.
And the raisins, just gotta break them up a little bit. Okay, the sauce. Put that over there for now. Oh, I don't even know why I got the sour cream out.
Sour cream's not
Sour
for
cream's
you.
not even for this.
The sour cream's for me to make a dip.
Yeah. I'm like, thinking I was ahead here. There we go. Mayonnaise. So, it's gonna be 1 cup. Just put a bowl up there. So, get this. Oh. I like the bang. Not rinsing fast enough. Here, can you do me one favor?
What would you like?
Can you grab me a Kleenex, please?
I suppose.
Okay, next is the 1 cup of Greek yogurt.
Love yogurt.
I am not a yogurt lover. I wish I was. Excuse me, folks. tablespoon of apple vinegar cider.
Apple cider vinegar.
What did I say? Apple vinegar cider?
Yes.
Well, you know. And then 3 tablespoons of honey. And one more. And no overflow for extra measures.
That would be Dorothy's phone.
And we're just mixing. Okay. I'll bring the salad back in and mix it together. Okay. So, because Kelly got the recipe off of a Facebook page, I will take a picture of the instructions I did and I'll have it at the end of the video here. And I am pretty sure that my mom used to make this.
She made something like that for sure.
Yeah. Whether it's the exact recipe, who knows, but it looks yummy. Okay folks, that's it. A very quick video today, but it's something that's very refreshing, very easy to do for summer, inexpensive. That's broccoli's. Broccoli's not quite cheap right nowadays, but still an inexpensive salad to make, especially if you're having a big crowd. So, all right, thank you very much.
We'll let everybody taste it at supper.
Oh, that's right. We got to do the taste test. Getting ahead of myself. Okay, we'll see you shortly for the taste test. Okay, we are at the table with our guests. Yes. So let's try this bacon and broccoli salad.
Good.
It's it's what my mom used to make.
Could be. What do you think, Lynn?
It's good.
Yeah, I had this before, this type of salad.
It's good.
Yeah.
Dorothy, give it a try. And
I haven't tried it yet. It looks fantastic.
Haven't made this one for a long time, Dorothy.
That is delicious.
Yes. So that's it, folks. This week, the bacon broccoli salad, great salad to have, especially now. Summer, nice, refreshing, very quick and easy to make. Thanks for joining me this week, and as I always end my cooking shows, I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Have a great week.